Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my respected sir. I am Muhammad Sianwaz with roll number LH18044. My topic of presentation is Civil and Criminal Codes. In Code of Criminal Procedure, Act 5 of 1898, Part 2, Constitution and Power of Criminal Courts and Offices from Chapter 2. From Chapter 2 of the Constitution of Criminal Courts and Offices, Classes of Criminal Courts. Classes of Criminal Courts. Section 6 of the CRPC of 1898, Classes of Criminal Courts and Magistrates. There shall be two classes of criminal courts in Pakistan, namely, number 1, Courts of Session, and 2, Court of Magistrates. Court of Magistrates further divided into 3 types. Number 1, Magistrate of the first class, number 2, Magistrate of the second class, and 3, Magistrate of the third class. Now, courts and offices. According to Section 9 of 1898, Courts of Session, Clause 1, the provincial government shall establish a court of session for every session division and appoint a judge of such court. Clause 2, the provincial government may, by general or special order in the official gazette, direct at what place or places the court of session. Clause 3, the provincial government may also appoint additional session judges and assistant session judges to exercise jurisdiction in one or more such courts. Clause 4. A session judge of one session division may be appointed by the provincial government to be additional session judges of another division. And in such case, he may sit for the disposal of case at such place or places in either division as the provincial government may direct. Clause 5. All courts of session existing when this court come into force shall be deemed to have been established under this act. Now next is sentences which may be passed by courts of various classes. Courts की जो further classes हैं वो कौन कौन सी सजा दे सकती हैं या सजाएं मौत दे सकती हैं. Section 31 of Act 1898 sentence which High Court and Session Judges may pass. Clause 1. High Court may pass any sentence authorized by law. Clause 2. A Session Judge or additional Session Judge may pass any sentence authorized by law, but any sentence of death passed by any such judge shall be subject to confirmation by the High Court. Clause 3. An Assistant Session Judge may pass any sentence authorized by law, except a sentence of death or of imprisonment for a term exceeding 7 years. Section 32 of Act 1898 sentence which magistrate may pass. Magistrate कौन-कौन सी सजा दे सकता है? Clause 1. The court of magistrate may pass the following sentence, namely, A. Court of magistrate of the first class, imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years, fine not exceeding 45,000 rupees. B. Court of magistrate of the second class, imprisonment for a term not exceeding 1 year, fine not exceeding 15,000 rupees. C. Court of magistrate of the third class, imprisonment for a term not exceeding 1 month, fine not exceeding 3,000 rupees. Section 34 of Act 1898. Higher powers of certain magistrates under Section 30 के पास जो इख्तियारात हैं उनमें कौन-कौन सी सजाएं दे सकता है. In this, the court of magistrates specially import under Section 30 may pass any sentence authorized by law, except a sentence of death or of imprisonment for a term exceeding 7 years. Now, the Punjab Civil Courts Ordinance 1962. Ordinance 2 of 1962, Chapter 2. Chapter 2, Civil Courts. In Section 3 of Ordinance 1962, Classes of Courts, there shall be the following classes of civil courts, namely, A. The Court of the District Judge, B. The Court of the Additional District Judge, and C1 is the Court of the Civil Judge. Section 4 of Ordinance 1962, Civil Districts. For the purpose of this ordinance, government may be notification, divide the province into civil districts, fix the limit of such districts, and determine the headquarters of each such district. Section 5 of Ordinance 1962, District Judges. कितने जजेस लगाने जाएंगे? Government shall, in consultation with the High Court, appoint as many persons as it thinks necessary to be district judges and post a district judge to each district. The same person may be appointed to be district judge of 2 or more districts. Section 6 of Ordinance 1962, Additional District Judges. Clause 1. Government may, in consultation with the High Court, appoint as many additional district judges as may be necessary. Clause 2. An additional district judge shall discharge such function of a district judge as the district judge may assign to him. And in the discharge of those functions, he shall exercise the same powers as the district judge. Section 7 of Ordinance 1962, Original Jurisdiction of District Judges in Suit. District judges के मुकदमात में jurisdiction. The court of the district judges shall have jurisdiction in original civil suits without limit as regard the value. Section 9 of Ordinance 1962, Pecuniary limits of jurisdiction of civil judges, यानी पैसे से related है. The jurisdiction to be exercised in original civil suits as regard the value by any person appointed to be a civil judge shall be determined by the High Court either by including him in a class or otherwise as it thinks fit. Section 10 of Ordinance 1962, Local limits of jurisdiction, यानी कि specific limits हैं उनसे तजावुज नहीं कर सकती जो हाई कोर्ट ने मुकर्रर की हैं. The local limit of the jurisdiction of a civil judge shall be such as the High Court may define. Now, Chapter 3, Jurisdiction in Civil Appeals. Section 17, Ordinance of 1962, Appeals from District Judge or Additional District Judges. Clause 1. An appeal from a decree or order of district judge or additional district judge exercising original jurisdiction shall lie to the High Court. Clause 2. An appeal shall not lie to the High Court from a decree or order of an additional district judge in any case in which, if the decree or order had been made by the district judge, an appeal would not lie to that court. Section 18, Ordinance of 1962. Civil judges के पास जो अपील है उससे मुतल्लिक है. Clause 1. An appeal from a decree or order of a civil judge shall lie to the High Court if the value of original suit which the decree or order was made exceed 50 million rupees. हाई कोर्ट में ये अपील तब जाएगी जब ये 50 मिलियन से ज्यादा की होगी. B. To the district judge in any other case. Now, classification of civil judges. Civil judges divided into 3 classes: civil judge of first class, civil judge of second class, and civil judge of third class. Civil judge of first class वो केस सुन सकता है without any limit के, और जो सिविल जज ऑफ सेकंड क्लास है उसकी 5 मिलियन लिमिट होती है केसेस के सुनने की, और जो सिविल जज थर्ड क्लास है उसकी लिमिट होती है 1 मिलियन की. The case hears first in the lowest court of first instance. सबसे पहले जो केस सुना जाता है वो lowest court of first instance की जो होती है उसमें सुना जाता है. Then senior civil judge can only refer case to further judge. फिर सीनियर सिविल जज होता है उसको रेफर करता है किसी भी दूसरे जज के पास. Now at last the conclusion is criminal court is of 2 types and civil court is also have 2 types. At criminal side, first come magistrate under section 30, then magistrate of third class, then magistrate of second class, and then magistrate of first class. After this session court and additional session court comes. The highest forum is High Court. And in civil sides, first comes civil judge of third class, then civil judge of second class, and then civil judge of first class. After this, district judge and then additional district judge comes. And here also the highest forum is the High Court. Thank you.